What's up everybody, welcome to Fix It With Fusco. My name is Keith. Today's video we're going to look at this gas meter and how to get a gas meter reading. This one is the Liberty EG4v10. So it's the V10 version, but the same works for the different versions as well, but we're going to look at this one. So let's head over the meter and find out how to do it. So this is the meter here, and as I said, this is the EG4v10, but there is like V11, V12, different ones and things like that. It's the same on those, but we're just going to talk about this one here, V10. So this is the screen that's going to come up and show you meter reading. You have the numeric keypad here. What we need to do is press number 9, and when we do this, it brings up the thing called volume. As you can see, volume. And this is your meter reading. So it's got this and it's M3. This is the volume, and that's the meter reading that you need to do. So again, if it goes off, just keep pressing 9 till it comes around to volume, and there's the meter reading. Hopefully that helped you out and got this meter reading. If it did, please let me know in the comments below, because it's always nice to find out that I've helped someone else out. But yeah, until next time, see ya.